Ever ponder the question, are the current feeding habits fostering the optimal health and growth for the children? It's a common concern, and rightfully so. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in the development of a child's body and mind. Today, we delve into the optimal feeding guide that promotes a healthy and balanced diet for children. This isn't just about ensuring they get the right nutrients. It's also about teaching them the importance of healthy eating habits that will serve them well into adulthood. So, what should children eat? A balanced diet for children should include fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and dairy. Fruits and vegetables, packed with essential vitamins and minerals, should make up a large portion of their meals. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, and beans are vital for growth and development. Whole grains found in foods like brown rice and whole wheat bread provide the energy they need. And dairy products, such as milk and cheese, offer calcium for strong bones and teeth. But what about the foods children should avoid? It's wise to limit the intake of processed foods and drinks high in sugar. These can lead to health problems like obesity and tooth decay. Fast food and sugary snacks might be convenient and tasty, but they lack the nutrients essential for children's growth and development. Now, onto the topic of food supplements. While they can be beneficial, they're not a substitute for a balanced diet. It's better to get nutrients from food rather than relying on supplements. However, there can be exceptions. For instance, a child on a vegetarian or vegan diet might need a vitamin B12 supplement, as this vitamin is primarily found in animal products. Always consult a healthcare professional before introducing any supplements into your child's diet. In conclusion, the best feeding guide for children involves a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and dairy. It's equally important to limit the intake of processed foods and sugary drinks. While food supplements can be beneficial in certain cases, they should not replace a balanced diet. Remember, fostering healthy eating habits in children is not just about feeding them the right foods today. It's about setting them up for a lifetime of healthy choices. With a balanced diet and a mindful approach to eating, children can enjoy the benefits of optimal health and growth. For recommendations of some supplements suitable for children, check out the description below. These links should serve as a helpful tool in your journey towards promoting healthy eating habits in children. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to feeding children right, because every child deserves the best start in life, and it begins with what's on their plate.